Your trainer is configured. Now you need it to actually run a course on a schedule without you babysitting every message. That's training sessions in Vyroq. From training, hit create training and walk through 4 quick steps. Step 1, basics. Pick your bot, name the training, choose a WhatsApp group, and set a scheduled start in your time zone. Step 2, content. Describe your objectives, attach a knowledge base, and drop in training documents. Vyroq parses every PDF and DOCX automatically. Step 3 is where it gets exciting. Hit AI fill from KBBs plus docs, and Vyroq drafts your entire syllabus step by step from your own material. Don't like a line? Edit it inline, drag to reorder, or top up with extra steps on demand. Step 4, review. Check the reminder timeline, preview the consent banner, send yourself a preview message, then hit schedule and lock. Your training goes live and Vyroq delivers every step automatically. Back on the sessions list, filter by upcoming, active, or completed, and watch delivery progress tick up step by step. Right there in the table, that's a live, AI-coached course running itself over WhatsApp. Start yours free at vyroq.com, no credit card, 14-day money-back guarantee.